Nigerian law permits the arrest of any person who is alleged to have committed an offense, or any person who is charged with committing an offense. My name is Daniel Nwafo from lawyersonline.ng, and in this video I'll be going through what is meant by arrest, the right of an arrested person, and the duty or duties of the person who have carried out an arrest. Arrests can be carried out by a police officer or a private person or any other person that is saddled with the duty of arresting an offender. Where a private person carries out an arrest, he is duty bound to hand over the arrested person to the police with immediate effect, as private persons are not allowed by law to keep people that are arrested or detain them. In making arrests, a police officer or any other person who wanted to carry out the arrest must touch or confine the body of the person sought to be arrested, except where the person that is sought to be arrested willingly submits to custody. In such circumstance, the police officer or private person who seeks to arrest him does not need to touch or confine him. Anybody who is under arrest may not be handcuffed, bound, or put under any form of restraint, except where any of the things I'm going to mention happen. A. There is reasonable apprehension of violence or attempt to escape. B. The restraint is considered necessary for the safety of the person. Or C. The court ordered that he be handcuffed or bound or restrained. Furthermore, the police officer or the person who made the arrest or any other police officer who is in charge of the police station where an arrested person is detained is bound to inform the arrested person of the rights that I'm going to mention. A. His right to remain silent or avoid answering any question until after consultation with a legal practitioner or any other person of his own choice. B. His right to consult a legal practitioner before making, endorsing, or writing any statements, or answering any question put to him after his arrest, and notification of the cause of his arrest. C. His right to free legal representation by the Legal Aid Council of Nigeria where applicable, and such circumstances include where the offense for which the person is arrested borders on a capital offense. Whichever authority that arrested the suspect has the responsibility to notify his next of kin or his relatives of his arrest and the reason for his arrest. It is important that I mention that no person or the law permits no one to arrest a person in place of a criminal suspect. No law gives that permission. The law also provides that any person under arrest shall be accorded humane treatment, having regard to his right to his dignity, and B. shall not be subjected to any form of torture, cruelty, inhuman and degrading treatment. Again, the law did not permit anybody, including the police, to arrest any person for breach of contract or for any civil wrong. I've made a video where I distinguished between crime and civil wrong. you can click on the link above to watch the video. An arrested person must be brought to court within a reasonable time. Otherwise, he shall be released either conditionally or unconditionally. A reasonable time, according to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, means A. 1 day in the case of a person arrested or detained within a place where a court is located within 40-kilometer radius near where the person who is arrested is detained. B. A period of 2 days or more, depending on the circumstance, in any other circumstance where the court is located beyond 40-kilometer radius. This is where I bring the tutorial to an end. Thank you for watching. For more videos on how law and legal processes work, please always visit lawyersonline.ng.